GoPro. I don't know what that means, but sounds pretty cool. Stare it. 325. Excellent shape. Pipe jaws. Noise was using a pipe jaw. See, but when I was looking at the pictures, I noticed that it was complete. Started looking around and looked what's around underneath.
There. Almost lost that pipe jaw on the way. I'm glad it's there. ¿Qué tal está? Just got a big crate from New York. So decided to make a quick video for you guys. Let's get started. Well, you look at that. Look at that thing. It's massive. Oh. Check out what else came in that crate. Number 114 Magic Prentice pipe ice. Look at that thing. Look at the size of this thing. .326. I've seen a lot of the 926s. They don't come with the pipe jaws. I'm a big fan of the pipe jaws. Well, there you have it. This bike's getting its own personalized stand soon. I'm gonna be shopping around for some metal, and this one, the 8-inch leg vise, and maybe one of the big 8-inch vises. But I plan to have only 3 stands on the shop. This is definitely not gonna stay in the shop for long. So stay tuned for that stand, and thank you for watching.